Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this beautiful and pretty pattern. See, this is the way it looks like. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. So this is only 4 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast 10 multiples of 3 plus 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 3 plus 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration, I have 14 stitches on my needle, which is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 4 times 3, 12, and plus 2 edge stitch 14. So row 1 right side. So row 1 right side. Row 1 right side, knit all stitches. Row 2 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 3 right side. Row 3 right side, knit your edge stitch through the back loop. Slip your edge stitch through the back loop. Slip your edge stitch on the right side. And for these 3 stitches, you're gonna twist this 2 to the right way first. Bring the stitch here from the first front side, like so, and knit these 2 and this 1, these 3 together through the back loop, and make 3 here. Sorry, make 3 here. 1, wrap the yarn around, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. That's the repeat. Repeat that again. Bring the stitch here, twist the stitch to the right way first, like so, and then these 2 and this 1 stitch, knit these 3 together through the back loop. Through the back loop, and make 3 here. 1, 2 and 3. Again we have done 2 repeats. Again twist 2 to the right way and knit this 2 and plus this 1, 3 together through the back loop. 1, 2 and 3. One more repeat. We have one more repeat. Twist 2 to the right way, and this 1 stitch, this 2 stitch and 3. These 3 stitches, knit 3 together through the back loop, and make 3 here. 1, 2 and 3. Your edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. Now repeat these 4 rows, row 1 to row 4, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.